Question 9. Sampling technique and a graphing calculator project. Use the random sampling process. Random number generator to choose 10 data out of 50 data assigned for you. Put all 10 data into stats of a graphing calculator. 1 and 2 variables stats to fill out the table below. Let's go to Google, type in random number generator. Go to calculator soup. Random number generator. Then we type in minimum value is 1. Maximum value is 50. We need 10 data. No repeating. Calculate.
We got these 10 index numbers.
According to this index number, we will choose 10 data. 40. Go to 40. Then select these two. Cut. Paste. 37. Cut. Paste. These are 10 data selected according to this generated random number. We will put these 10 data into our calculator. Now let's go to calculator. You click on again. We will go to this document. If there are some pages on the document, we need to delete. Click on document 5, then 6. One more, document 5, 6. Document 5, 6. Menu. We need to add a list and a spreadsheet. Height. Weight.
Then put those 10 data in.
Control document. I need to add calculator. Then go to menu. 6. 1. Stat calculation. 2. Variable stats. X list is the height. Y list is weight. Frequency list is 1. Then enter. Average height. Standard deviation of height. Average weight and standard deviation of weight. Also, we are given 5 number stats to create a whisker plot. According to the stats calculation on the calculator, we fill out this table. Interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile.
Based on the stats calculations on the graphing calculator, we got the following values. Then we put them in this formula for correlation coefficient. We got R equals 0.207. Basically, on the graphing calculator, we are given this R equals 0.207. They are the same.
We will use the following formula to find the least square regression equation. This is the standard deviation of x. That is 1.75406. This is the standard deviation for y, 15.0008.
Plug all values into this equation, then simplify. Y equals 1.77x plus 8.80 for regression equation.
Also, we can figure out regression equation by this graphing calculator. Menu, stats, stat calculation. 3. Linear regression. X list is the height. Y list is the weight. Then OK. Slope is 1.77. B is 8.29.